Guys, we're 2 weeks into the journey. 2 weeks into the journey on foot from Idaho to Oregon. And look, I found my first source of water. 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 But I need to get some food in me. It's really good in fiber. I think I just ate a bug. That's also good in protein. We're gonna continue on the journey. We gotta go find civilization or a car to work on. We need to go find a car. It's been 2 months and I finally found it. A car. The Ford, 76 Ford Explorer. Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Flannel Fixers. It's been a little bit since we posted the last one. I've been in the process of kind of moving stuff around and also a very long walk from Idaho to Oregon. Say hello to my mule. His name is Charlie. He's very rad. He's also very old. So today we got my baby, my 76 Ford Ranger Explorer. It's got a 390 big block in it, and it's got the, I believe it's the C6, correct me if I'm wrong, auto tranny in it. So we're gonna be doing a hood latch on it today, and we're gonna be fixing the brake master cylinder. We have no brakes, and when I say no brakes, I mean no brakes. So the hood latch got busted here, so I can't get in to fix the brakes because the brake boosters against the firewall right there. So I need to fix that. So we need to limp it over there to the shop, and then we need to weld. So first step of our journey, do we have charge? Also, the dome light works. This is pretty cool. Oh, and our lights work too. Why is my turn indicator on though? Oh. Huh. Alright, well. Okay, come on, baby. Wake up. Come on, come on. Good girl. This is Stella. She's pretty. Alright, so let's go. Oh yeah. This is at 390 per. Quiet as a kitten up front. Just sounds like a sewing machine. Alright, now we have to take this big girl. We gotta put her over there. Alright, we gotta go limp it. Gotta go limp it. Yeah, there's a severe lack of brakes. Oh, come on, baby. We're just gonna put it in a neutral coast. Okay, we're in neutral now. Okay, we're gonna put it back in a drive for a second. Okay, now we're back in neutral. And that's our brakes. Stop! Okay, cool. We stopped. Okay, that's what's left of our latch. So now I need to figure out where it goes on here. It just went like that, didn't it? Yeah, it definitely didn't go like, it went like that. Okay. So we need to go get the welder from out of the shop and go tack it back on. All right. Let's go do that real quick. It wasn't easy, but on my grand walk over to Oregon, I brought both of these, especially since this one only runs sometimes and that one doesn't run at all. It was really hard to wear like a backpack You know what I mean? This is our welder. We just got the little Harbor Freight Chicago electric stick welder, or not stick, wire welder. I discovered our first problem. This is our ground, right? Hey, you see? You see? Yeah? Yeah. We have to go over there. And then it gets better. It gets better right here. Look. This is our MIG gun, right? A wire welder gun. Okay, that's all the reach it's got. Now here comes the part of mechanicking that nobody wants to talk about, or lots of people want to talk about depending on who you ask, but the part where nothing goes according to plan and you gotta fix more problems than just the one. So we gotta figure out now how to get the hood open without a hood latch, open the hood, take the hood latch assembly out, and then bring it in here to weld. I got a couple of lights to fix, but let's try to get this hood open. Let's see if we can grab on what's left of the hood latch with these. Be very careful not to hurt anything, and then kind of put a little bit of pressure on the hood. Whoop. Put just a little bit of pressure on the hood, and then, hey, got it. I need a little more, a little more wiggling. There we go. I got that not so shiny big block 390 in there with the old Eddie Boy 4-barrel on it and the Daytona style electric ignition, which is really nice. So I need to figure out something for there, because our brake booster, you can just see it's dripping it down into the power steering hose, and it's just building up, and then it's just dumping out. We probably have nothing left in here. Ow! Ow! Oh, we got front brakes. We have no rear brakes though. No rear brakes. So I guess we just got a leak for the rear. Let's try to see if I can do this without pinching myself this time. Ah! Come on, come on. There we go. Okay, cool. Now we need to take our hood latch out, so it should just be, what, 2? Oh yeah, I forgot we gotta take the actual grill out too. So let's get some tools and we'll do that. Alrighty, so we gotta take, do I have to take, if I remember right, I can just take the assembly out, I think. And it's just these two, I think they're what, quarter? No, not quarter, half inch. Actually, they might be 9/16. No, they are half inch. Yeah, I gotta take these half-inch ones out, and then it should just, the whole assembly should just kind of come out. Otherwise, you have to take this plate off, and then you gotta take these guys out, these bolts, and then you have to take apart a little bit of the grill to get the whole thing out. So it's just, actually, I don't know if I'll be able to get it back in there with that when I fix the handle. So I might just have to do it this way. So let's do that then real quick with our little itty bitty stubby 1/4 inch. It's our little itty bitty 1/4 inch. Shiny chrome rocker covers. Yep. American runs on chrome. And then we got more projects out here that we'll be getting to soon enough. But for the time being, this one's my main. There will be a surprise for you guys here really soon. Actually, a couple of surprises. I just acquired my dream car, and my buddy who helps me run the channel, he just got his dream car too. I won't say what they are yet, but we'll definitely have some content here real soon on what they are and what we're planning to do with them, because they're both pretty neat little cars. Well, one's pretty little, the other one is not little, but we'll definitely have a lot of fun getting them up and running. My buddy's doesn't have much that needs to be done with it before it's ready to go. It really just needs some mechanical soundness done to it. And then, am I tightening that? Oh, there's a nut underneath there, that's why. I don't have a dude. I have to climb the fence. I don't want to climb the fence. Alright. You know what, let's do this. Let's just try to take this off, because I ain't be wanting to do all that. Alright. Does this break my ratchet? My Harbor Freight ratchet. Oh, there we go. Ouch. But yeah, so we'll have a lot more content, especially. But yeah, so here we got this guy out, so let's go. Oh, I hope this isn't cast. I didn't even look at it to see if it was cast. Because I don't think it's cast, and I hope it's not stainless. Please don't be stainless. So let's go try to weld on it real quick, see what we got. Well, so I did weld it. Them is some ugly welds. I'm not used to this welder. But it holds. I got it. It holds good enough. Not breaking. It's not breaking. So I'm just gonna clean this up a little bit, give it a nice scrub, oil up the springs, re-grease them, because the grease here is disintegrating. I think it was like white lithium grease or something. So I'll re-grease all this, and then I'll clean up the latches a little bit, and then we'll try it and see what's up. Alright, so we got it patched up, so let's see. Oh shoot, that was a lot easier than I thought. Alrighty, so let's just, don't fall. Okay. And then these ones, I think that one's in there. And then that one feels like it's starting. Yeah, it started. Alrighty, I just need to get these on here. Oh, whoops. It migrated up. Oops. Right there. No, twist it. There we go. Just get that one a little snug. And now this one over here. This one's just slightly above. Get this one snug too. Okay, that one's tight. Come on. Come on. And that one's tight. Alright, now. Cool. It doesn't feel like it's gonna break, but we'll only time will tell. Tuck that back there. There's a couple more things I need to do. I believe the fuel delivery system on this is a little iffy, because anytime you try to give it any sort of throttle, it'll bog out, but then it'll immediately catch itself as soon as you let off the gas. It'll rev up. So I think it's either got a vacuum leak or it's got a bad fuel pump. Fuel pump is going out, or it might have a crack in the fuel line, so it's sucking air through the fuel line or something, or just it's doing something that it's not supposed to. It's just got a little loss of power from idle to when you go to put it in gear, especially. So it could just be a vacuum leak on the transmission to the carburetor or to the engine. Alrighty, I got everything all set. I just need to see if it'll start. Oh, almost. Nope. Did not like the lights being on. Yup. Okay, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Woo! No. Okay, cool. That didn't take every ounce of strength I've recovered in the past week. I found some rudimentary rock structure. Let's go investigate. It appears to be a wall of some kind. Well, there's another one. I hope I'm not in Bigfoot's house. I will check back in a little bit. I'm adding to the water.